everyone. Well, today is Earth Day, so I thought I'd do a little video on my garden. That is my Chinese elm, and it is doing so well. And this is my fruitless plum. It has recently popped out with those beautiful red leaves. And I'll take you back in my garden in a minute. Then over here on this side, I have another Chinese elm. It's been in the ground about 1 year, so it's really grown. And then I have a fruitless olive tree here and a fruitless olive tree there. And they are doing exceptionally well. So let's go in the garden. Now this is my spring/summer garden, and I just put it in, and everything is growing. It is, let's see, it's about 96 degrees right now, and when it's consistently 100 degrees or higher, I will be shading my garden. So let me show you how things have grown. So in this bin, I have my squash growing up here, my cucumbers. I have 3 tomato plants in there. I have my marigolds and my vincas. And you see here I have some radishes coming up. My tomatoes are doing well. I do have tomatoes set over here on that one. Peppers are doing great. And all the blossoms that I'm getting on my zucchini plants. So I'm trying to train my zucchini and my cucumbers to grow up the lettuces here. So I'm really pleased. Everything has really grown like crazy. I've planted some cantaloupe seeds in here. They have not come up yet, and I'm going to trellis them. Hopefully they'll just grow up this trellis. Over here, my spinach is about done. I've got some green beans coming up here. My spinach I'm going to pull out. I still have some herbs. My petunias are still doing good, so I'll just let them be for a while. And I haven't planted anything in here new, and I need to clean up this bin. So right here I have, this is that Japanese cucumber plant, and I'm hoping it grows up the trellis, and they get really long, probably about 8-inch long cucumbers. They're different, so I'm excited about that. I do have some things growing up here. I have sprinkled, just hand sprinkled some seeds in here, some flower seeds. These are called the coxcomb. I just pinched them off, been pinching them off so they will fill out. So I've got a few flowers in here. Got some more beets growing in here. Those are my beets. And this is that trumpet vine that is growing. That's going to be gorgeous. And I'm hoping it goes all the way up and over this trellis, because it'll grow about 40 feet a year. I didn't do much in this bed. I've got my vincas. I've pinched them off. Now I'm letting them grow back out. And then I've got some flower seeds popping up in here. I think I put gazanias in there. Then over here, I'm trying to get rid of my Brussels sprouts. I still have some growing, and we just had Brussels sprouts, and they were so delicious. These right here are my beets coming in. This here is an artichoke plant. That'll be interesting. I got more coxcomb coming up here. More beets. Big tomato plant here. And some peppers. So the garden is doing really well. Got bins over here. Just pulled out a lot out of my bin, so it's filled with garbage right now, actually. So I'm hoping to get a lot of cucumbers and zucchini and tomatoes and green beans. The green beans are really taking off. These are green beans here. I've got them planted everywhere in the garden. But everything has really grown since I put it in the ground. So I'm really tickled about that. All right, you guys. Wishing you all a happy Earth Day. Love you guys. I'll see you soon. Bye for now.